All right, we're at about 80 beats per minute. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. We're gonna do the eighth notes for you this time. I'm not gonna go too fast just yet. Eighth notes, all right? 1, 2, from the 1, go. Keep it up. Come on back. I slid down to the 11th fret. Slide down. Slide down. Same progression, just backwards. Slide down. Slide. Slide. Open string now. I didn't show you this. All right, good job, good job. All right, so to explain to you the slide down, the slide once you get to the 12th fret, so I'm at the 12th fret, doing the walk down chromatically. When I make it to that 15th fret, all I'm doing is going backwards now. So I'll slide down and then go 14, 13, 12, 11, 14, 12, 12, 14, 13, 12, 11, all the way back down. And then when I get down to the index finger, I'm gonna slide down 1 to 10 and then do a walk up still, but it's in the same box. Now I'm on the 10th fret doing the walk up. Then I get to that 11, slide down again, or 13 down to 12. And then now I'm in a new section. And it's just continuing on. Then I'm at the bottom of 9, down to 8. Do the same thing. This to get you very familiar with your fretboard, right? And then just do the slide down again. Down to 7. Now slide down to 6. Then we'll do a walk up. And it's the same thing. And it just continues on, just like in the exercise that you're about to see now. All right. So guys, if you enjoyed that, please leave a comment. Please share. Tell somebody you know who might want to play guitar, and let them know that we got some free content here. You can work privately with me as well. So hope this was beneficial to you guys. Hope you guys are having fun on your guitar journeys, walking the walk and talking the talk, being able to show your friends some awesome stuff that you're learning here in the group. And I'll see you on the next video.